Can you shut up? I'm doing a thing. I'm doing a thing here. Shut up.
This is the first ever hurricane force wind warning issued in California. Asterisk, question mark. Strange days indeed. It is like a whole situation. And it is happening now. And it is happening now. And it is happening now.
Hit the button, baby.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Solid rocket ignition and liftoff.
In the real world,
This is a weekend edition. There is a big heart of moisture, rain, and such heading to California right now. I do believe it is bombogenesis thing, as another storm front rolls across the center of the United States of America, hatch cross backwards, and then a flying, jumping thing with antlers is headed into Alaska. We do live in very interesting times as we watch this on satellite video, question mark, asterisk. As far as weather events go, I do believe this ranks up there in interestingness. Interestingness weather-wise. We got lightning tail. No lightning in Southern California, though. Should be shook, but you are rock solid. 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 Here we go. Update, I am feeling optimistic. Update, I am feeling optimistic. Update, I am feeling optimistic, but I recognize everything's really fucking crazy. Update, I am feeling optimistic. Update, I am feeling optimistic. Update, I am feeling optimistic, but I recognize everything's really fucking crazy.
We could do this all night. We could do this all night. We could do this all night. I've been dreaming about this memory. Feels like we could do this for centuries. Where an harmony, follow the melody. Got me falling very deep with you, I feel clarity.
Got me speeding through the city like you shot your shot and it sounded like.
Welcome to Asteroid Fight Club. I'm your host, Thor. Today we have
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, cool.